Good morning, hello, welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 48. Nailed it in one. It is Friday. I'm back in the studio today all day and I have got lots and lots to do. I'm going to start by packing up your orders that came in yesterday, and then I have got to do a little product shoot. I've got a whole box of more goodies that has arrived from the wholesaler, lots of nice little gifty bits. This box is the last order that I'm going to put in now before Christmas, and it's all stocking fillers, so really little things. I love in particular, look at these little gel pens. I don't know if that's going to focus without me putting the camera down. Probably not. Hang on. Let's put you down there. Woo, little gel pens with sewing machines on the top. And I've also got balls of wool and little rulers. There is, there's rose gold tape measures. And gorgeous little sets of snips for all my knitters and crocheters. Really lovely little goodies in there, so they're all going to go on the website today, so I've got to photograph those and get those on. I didn't get round to putting any of the stuff on the website that arrived on Wednesday either, so it's all going to go on this afternoon, so it's a mammoth computer afternoon for me. I've also got a delivery coming today of more fabric. It's all just plains because we need to stock up our plain cottons. But I think there's 2 Christmas jerseys coming. It's really short notice, I know, because there's only like, well, 5 weeks now until Christmas, so if you're going to get any sewing done, it's probably, you know, a bit cutting it fine, but it's only just come into stock and it's really nice, so I took a chance on it. So have a look in the shop if you get a chance. I'll put the link to our website in the description down below. Just go to the fabric shop and you'll be able to see any of the fabrics that come in, and likewise if you want any of the gift items or kits or anything that you've seen on this channel, they are all in the gifts and vouchers section on our website. So sail over. So yeah, that's my plan for today. Nothing really massively exciting, lots of admin, lots of preparation of orders, and I'm expecting lots of people coming in to pick up their orders. So I might see you later, I might see you Saturday, who knows. Son just popped in to collect her order. Say hello. Hello. You have to show me your bag. Show me this bag.
I've made.
This is, what is it, the Swoon?
This is the Swoon dolly.
Swoon.
I think it's called a crossbody.
Oh, it's so cute. And it matches your mask.
It does.
And there's all bits inside.
Leoparding inside. It's got a little mask. It's got the tissue pouch. And a scrunchie.
Perfect. That is just adorable. And can we just say, look at you. Give me a twirl. Skinny mini. She's been working very hard. I'm going to have to dig out all of my old handmaids that don't fit me anymore, because they'll fit you now and you don't have to make new clothes. Friday done and dusted, and I have got everything on the website. Yay! I've had a lovely visit this afternoon as well from Chloe Lee Photography. She's come in to talk to me so that we can plan our next shoot, which is really exciting. I love working with her. She's the best photographer. She totally gets me and totally gets beautiful things, which means she is able to take fantastic photos that obviously I can use in our social media and on our website. So I'm excited for what's to come there. I'm going to go home now. She's dropped off, I meant to say, she's dropped off all of my Christmas goodies back to me as well, because she'd done a product photo shoot for me, so you might have seen some of those pictures popping up on social media of some of our handmade Christmas courses. And our Sew Your Way to Christmas course is still available. It's not too late. You've got 5 weeks. That's actually plenty of time to get sewing. So do go and check that out and see if there's anything there that floats your boat so that you can continue sewing during lockdown. And I will see you again tomorrow. Good evening, it's Saturday. I've been here all day. I've done nothing that you're going to be interested in. That's that. I'll see you again on Monday. Good morning, it's Monday. I know that I've got nothing to show you today, but I'm logging on anyway. Is it too early for a Christmas jumper, do we think? Yeah. I bought this one the other night in Sainsbury's. It's lovely. It's very sparkly and super soft. I thought it was just a little bit different rather than the big garish reindeers and everything else. I thought it was slightly classy. Me baubles. Do you like me baubles? Anyway, absolutely nothing happening today of any interest whatsoever, but if anything does, rest assured I'll pick the camera up for you. I was quite right, nothing of any interest happened today. I have literally been back-to-back adminning, so nothing exciting whatsoever. At the moment we remain closed, but you can order obviously online for click and collect. Oh, and my son's now isolating as well because he's come into contact with somebody at school, so that's him off school for the next 2 weeks as well. We'll see if Catherine makes it into the building on Friday. It's Wednesday, I'm going home. I've spent the entire day doing admin. We had craft club this morning. I'm furiously trying to sort out all my Black Friday and Cyber Monday stuff. My visualizer has decided it doesn't want to work, and I've got Zoom classes on Friday and Sunday, so I'm desperately trying to fix that at the moment. And yeah, it's going home with me because if I can't fix it, then I'm going to have to teach my Zoom class from home on Friday morning because I won't be able to use it here on the computer. So I may or may not be in Friday morning. We shall see. It's been a really boring BTHQ banter week. I do apologise, but as per, nothing we can do. In good news though, Boris has confirmed that we will be able to reopen as long as we are in tier 1 or 2. We find out our tiers tomorrow. Fingers crossed. I will see you all again next week. Thank you for watching. Bye!